summer at Guam Hyatt Regency. Summer at Hyatt
Regency Guam.
Yeah. Half a day. It's already half a day of July.
It's
July
already
4th.
food. We lost a day.
I think we did. Okay, half a day, and now we're celebrating 4th of July. It is already Monday night. We lost all of Monday. It's 5 a.m. in New York City right now, and it is 8 p.m. in Guam on the 4th of July. So we're here. The burger is $19 with French fries. That's pretty close. The beer is cheaper than the drinks. They're $5 for a beer. So it must not be any federal tax. So this burger I got here, this half-a-day burger, is probably one of the best burgers I've ever had. Drew's got ramen noodles. And I got sweet potato fries and 3 kinds of sauces and a Bud Light.
Ramon, that's the guy's name.
Yeah, so it's this half-a-day burger is pretty damn good. I have to say, this half-a-day burger is one of the best burgers I've ever had. On 4th of July. All right. So I'm here at the pool. I'm gonna go take a look at these parrots that are here. See how many parrots are. See what these parrots have to say. Hello. Hey.
Hello. Hey, Keith.
Your hat. Here we are on the beach in Guam. July 5th, 2022. On the beach in Guam. You can see the fish swimming right here. They're just little they're just those fish. They're right, so here we are. Beach in Guam. July 5th, 2022. And something big. Now there is the that's the iced tea with the real sugar, served like that in Philippines. It's the Caf'e Kitchen. So this is the iced tea with the real cane sugar added to it. Delicious. Just like you get in Philippines. Unbelievable. It's a nice bowl. Look. It's a nice bowl that's lentil soup, and Joey's got a panini. It looks like it's prepared nice. And it has a little piece of garlic toast, so it's not bad. It has a nice little garlic toast with it, you see. Got a weird taste to it. That looks good, right? Panini here.